Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this video is going to be a little different. A lot of my YouTuber friends have been asking me, like, how do I get my shorts to get so many views? I mean, I'm not getting a lot of views. I think the most view I got on one of my short was 17K, which to me is a lot, because I remember back in the days I was only getting like 100 views on one of my shorts. But I'm here to share some tips that I've learned, I've researched over the past few months of how to get views on shorts. Now, it has to be your content, or else you'll get copyright, which you don't want that. Yeah, that's bad. So the first thing is find a catchy title. Your title has to be short. You don't want to have a whole sentence of where did I do or what did I do last summer. Like, you want to keep it short and simple. Sometimes it can be just one word or two in an emoji. I use a lot of emojis in my shorts title. I'm not sure if that makes a big difference or not, but as long as it's short, you want to keep it to 1-2 words, I think 4, maybe 5 max. Another thing is to use the music from YouTube. Like, you don't want to get copyright claim by using other songs. So try to use the most popular ones, and it's easy to find them. You can just go to sound, click on sound, and go to the ones that are top sounds, and just find something that goes with your video. Another thing is to make it under 15 seconds. I've found out that anything over 15 seconds doesn't get a lot of views. And usually the short sounds are all under 15 seconds anyways. So unless you're using 2 sounds, you want to keep it 15 seconds or less. People attention span is really short. So you don't want to do like this 30, 60 second short. People are not going to click on it, or if they click on it, they're just going to click on it few seconds and click off. So you want to keep it super short, hence they are shorts. The timing, I've experimented on different times of the day to see which time worked best for me. And for me, and this can be different for anyone, early mornings between 8:30, 9:30, or anything after 5:30 is good for me. If I post anything like between those hours, like if I post something at 12 o'clock, I literally will get no view. Sometimes I'll get maybe 1 or 2 views, and I will just delete and re-upload later. So try to experiment on the different times of the day. Try to do like 9 a.m., 12 p.m., then 3, then 6. Just do different time just to kind of get a feel of, where your viewers or when your viewers are online. And this is not even just for your subscribers. When you post your shorts, thousands of people, hopefully millions of people, are clicking on your short. So make it interesting. Make it your title clickable. Don't have something like look. I mean, that could work because people are curious. I've used oh my god or OMG or wow because people are curious to see, okay, but don't make your title boring. Like, don't do a whole sentence of something that you did or you thought of. Make it simple. Simple. All my titles go with what I'm doing. People love animals. I have a cat. She's famous in my book. I've used her in my shorts because she's a part of my family. I have a family channel, so it works with me. Do shorts that work with your niche, with what your channel is about. And I think that's all. So hopefully this will help you guys, and I hope you'll get a lot of views and a lot of subscribers from this. And message me anytime you want if you need any other ideas. All right, guys. Thank you. Bye.